Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines speech on Earth Day. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about Earth Day. Number 2. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. Number 3. It reminds us to protect our planet. Number 4. We should plant more trees and keep our surroundings clean. Number 5. We must save water and electricity. Number 6. We should reduce plastic use and recycle waste. Number 7. Every small action can make a big difference. Number 8. A clean earth means a healthy future for everyone. Number 9. Let us work together to protect nature. Number 10. Thank you and Happy Earth Day. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.